Video.
YouTube. Then you off the catalog. Then you have the standard.
Oh, okay, talaga.
So, the amplifier
Amplifier, okay.
and the sensors.
Reference.
This one is on top, the other one is on the bottom.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you only connect one, it's still okay. Then you have only one reading.
Oh,
So there is no rule.
If
If you remove one, you will only measure one.
it measure this only, eh?
Okay. There is no rule. It's just
Okay.
this one is the one on
There's
top. this
output.
one
Okay.
on the bottom. So we have connected it. Now you have to go to source. You know that with this button you always change your menu.
Okay.
You could also go somewhere else, but anytime when then you have a source menu. You know, you can switch through the menus as you like.
Okay.
But if for driving this, you need the source menu.
Okay. So now it's under source.
Yeah, now it is source. It's off. It's not sending, but it's set to 100 hertz, and it's using 899 volts.
Okay.
That's already about 23, maybe a little bit more. So if you like to be careful, you can possibly pull it down a little bit. Then it will start more slowly. Then when you on it, it starts to shake. Now it's already
Yes.
when you want to do the measurement, you press start. It's all automatic. So the measurement time it's only 11 G, so it was not enough. Thing. I'm turn it off. Okay, first, and then I go level. This is the voltage. You also can dial it in. 800.
Oh, okay. Manual key, huh?
Yeah, you can also make 800 millivolts. Not volts, that would be too much. And now on. And start the measurement. Now it's 19 G, so we are almost there. I off it, I make a little bit more on and start the measurement. Oh, that's not it. Okay. You have to be quite careful, especially in 20, if you only do 20 hertz, the voltage is very low.
Okay.
If you have too much voltage, it will hit the hard stop. Too much.
If I do in a 20 hertz,
Yeah.
20 hertz
If you
high
have-
voltage.
If you go to 20 hertz and 800 millivolts, you will need to power. More power than 10. You know? Now the movement of the coin is like this. So how far it moves is the voltage.
Okay.
So if it's very fast, you can have a higher voltage. If it's more slow, it will travel more far with the same voltage. So it's dangerous.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially in the
I know
20 hertz. Just
low frequency,
low voltage.
frequency, it says transfer frequency, yeah?
That's pretty much it. And it will only stop to move when you turn it off.
And the frequency? Huh? Did you change the frequency?
What?
This one the frequency.
This is the frequency. Yeah?
Where to change?
Huh?
How to set the frequency? Like 200?
And here. Here, you have fixed sign. Now you can make 200 hertz.
Andreas, this one I want to ask.
But if you do this, this is only the source. For the measurement, you have to do it. This is here marker function. Now you have this marker. This is your marker, and this is your marker function. So then you have an harmonic marker, and you choose it to now also 200 hertz. Now you can run 200.
One question, Andreas. Just now we do 100, you load from here, right?
Yes.
Okay, if I want to do 200 or 400, still I need to open.
There is a program for 20, 100 and 400.
So,
For 200 indeed you have to do this.
need to do in this same program.
Yeah.
Manually.
Yeah. You
The one already saved to the program.
select 100, then you change to 200.
If I want to do 400,
can-
already program.
There is a program, but you can also switch it manually. It's the same.
Same, huh? Okay. I do 200, I do 400
Yeah.
or 300. Okay. How to do back?
Well, actually, usually you are here in this menu. Here,
Oh.
here it starts.
Okay, go to fix sign. 300.
It's easier to key in, but that does matter.
Okay.
I think when you... I'm not sure. Yeah, it's okay, it's changed. Because there is no button to confirm.
Okay, 300 and then
Marker function.
Yeah, down it's already okay. If you higher the frequency, you not need to be careful. But if you
Yes.
lower it, you also need to lower.
yeah,
the
lower
voltage.
this, yes.
So this is the one thing. Now you change the driver, but the program is still calculating the 200 hertz. So if you run it now, it will be terrible THD because it compares 200 to 300.
Okay.
And it's something very different.
Okay.
Therefore, this one is your marker function. The marker is this one, the peak that it's telling you that. So you also have go in marker function. This is the active one is already marked, the harmonic marker. So you press it again, and frequency, fundamental frequency. It's here it was 2, and now it changed to 300 hertz. Now you can go back in source and you can measure.
Oh,
But they
the
need
200
to-
one already marked ready now.
Yeah, no, they need to know. That both need to know. This is like two instruments. This one is a